Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes, and here in this video we are talking about the geology paper of 2022, and here we are going to answer question number B, that is, what is the difference between raster and vector data, and you need to describe their characteristics as well as their advantages and disadvantages. So, factor data and qualitative data are different types of data that you all know about, which is used in research and analysis purposes. So, let's talk about the characteristics of factor data. Let's talk about its quantitative nature first. Now, factor data, they are quantitative, meaning they involve numerical measurements or even values. They are also continuous or discrete, means factor data can be continuous, which is measured on a scale, or discrete also. Like discrete means what? Countable values, so like that. Talking about certain examples of factor data might include temperature, height, weight, income, or any kind of numerical variable. Now let's move over to the advantages of factor data. Like we can say statistical analysis, for that we can use factor data. Like factor data allows for various statistical analysis such as mean, median, standard deviation and correlation. Then it's used for proper precision, like it provides precise and specific information due to numerical values. Then for compatibility, like it's well suited, like factor data is well suited for mathematical modeling and computational analysis also. So yes, these are some of the few advantages. Now, of course, talking about disadvantages, as mentioned in the question, we need to talk about that also. So first would be its limited context. Okay. Now, it may lack the context or descriptive information about why certain values exist. Then it's kind of like an assumption, like some statistical methods assume certain characteristics of factor data which might not always be met. Then there is a difficulty in interpretation when we are using factor data, like interpretation might be challenging also without additional qualitative information. Now let's talk about the characteristic of qualitative data. Now, qualitative data has non-numerical nature, like qualitative data are non-numerical and they represent attributes, characteristics, or categories. It's categorical also, like it's of course categorical. Then it's the data is divided into groups or classes, like that. Some examples of qualitative data might be like color, gender, types of materials, or any kind of non-numeric variable. Then yeah, we are going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of qualitative data. So let's move over to that. Now, advantages of qualitative data might include its rich descriptions. Like qualitative data might provide you with rich, detailed descriptions and also insights into complex phenomena. Then it has a contextual understanding also, like it helps in understanding the context and nuances which is surrounding the data. Then it also has certain flexible analysis, like it's suitable for exploratory research as well as it allows for flexible analysis methods also. Now, advantages are there, so disadvantages would also be there. So what are the disadvantages of qualitative data? It is it has subjectivity, like analysis can be subjective depending on the interpretation of the researcher. Then it has limited generalization. It means like findings may not be easily generated to broader populations. Then it's time consuming also, like collection and analysis of qualitative data can be time consuming compared to quantitative data. Okay, so like that. So in research, we might say a combination of both the factor as well as qualitative data is often used to gain a comprehensive understanding of a phenomenon or a problem. So yeah, let's keep it till here in this video. Let's meet again in the next videos.